Hi, this video is about how to create this wall unit with this rack in kitchen, and this is the final output after render. Okay, here I'm gonna lay out a single door wall unit and change the depth and height. Then move it up following the height of the unit next to it, which is 296. Then I'm gonna lay out another same unit, and I would like to place it under this current unit. As you can see, it reveals to go down below the current unit. That's okay, I'll just leave it like that, then adjust the size here. Shift and click the door to select the unit as a whole, and adjust the elevation here. I'll change to 1454. Next, delete the door and press B to enter box selection. Delete the unwanted shelves. Here we need to adjust the height of back panel, which is the D. Just add 18, which is the shelf thickness, become 482. And put 0 in Z to move it down. Next, I'm gonna lay out the dish rack which I uploaded beforehand that appear under my upload. Lay out and adjust the position accordingly. Alright. Next, I'll use Format Painter to standardize the door style and color. And change the handle style. Finally, change the cabinet material. And also the door opening direction. And we are done. Thank you for watching.